Let's do this grammar practice. Write the sentences in negative form and question form. Number 1, a hare is eating grass. A hare isn't eating grass. Is a hare eating grass? Question 2, the hare is running for his life. The hare isn't running for his life. Is the hare running for his life? Question 3, the hound is running for his breakfast. The hound isn't running for his breakfast. Is the hound running for his breakfast? Number 4, they run across the field. They don't run across the field. Do they run across the field? Question 5, they run over stones. They don't run over stones. Do they run over stones? They run through grass. They don't run through grass. Do they run through grass? Number 7, the hare escapes. Does the hare escape? The hare doesn't escape. Question 8, the hound becomes quiet. The hound doesn't become quiet. Does the hound become quiet? Question 9, the hound runs quickly. The hound doesn't run quickly. Does the hound run quickly?